For the swinging section for fire escape stairs, so kani is swinging fire escape stairs are movable lower section of exterior fire escapes. So they are designed for special cases when buildings are permanent. Stairway directed to the ground is not practical. So for example is when kaning escape route is would interfere with a sidewalk or alley or other space in constant use. Swinging sections are allowed only when fixed stairs to the ground are impossible, such as located over a busy walkway or narrow alley. So they cannot be placed above doorways, main exit paths, or any obstruction that could block safe evacuation. Ang yamang size or slope niya is the width must be the same as the permanent stairs above. So to keep the path consistent. O dili dapat siya steeper than the stairs above, so ensuring safe descent. So provided po siya og handrails. Ang yading height is about 3.65 above on intermediate balcony. And then swinging stairs must use counterweights with pivots, not cables, so that it could move smoothly and remain balanced. So pivot must be made of corrosion-resistant materials like bronze brazing to stay functional over time. So no locking latches naman. So swinging stairs must never be latched in an up position. So they must always remain available for emergency use, ready to swing down when needed. We have here the second is we have the fire escape ladders. So for the application, so ladders may be used as fire escapes only in small scale or special cases. So it is for single or two family homes and apartments up to 3 stories high with a maximum ladders of 9 meters. For naman siya, industrial platforms, elevated platforms around machinery, not designed for no more than 3 adults. As escape routes to unoccupied roof space such as boiler rooms or towers. So kani siya is applied lang siya sa single or two family dwellings lang. Sa tama na po siya sa 3 story and the maximum height is 9 meters. If above na siya or 4 stories na above, so di na siya applicable ning fire escapes ladder since di na siya safe sa mga tao para mo escape bitaw in case of emergency. And then for installation naman, it would be permanently attached to the structure supported at least 3 meters for stability. And then for railings naman, at least 1.40 meters above the roof or platform. And if there is a parapet, it should be continue over it to provide secure handholds. For the alignment naman, so ladder must be vertical or sloping inward to safe climbing. Outward sloping ladders are not allowed since they are increased fall risks. So kani siya is dapat attach yun siya permanently yung ladders. Og dili siya pwedeng outward sloping siya. Instead, it should be using vertical or sloping inwards para like safe lang yung pagsaka ng tao if like or saka na og if in case of emergency. Then for the construction naman, so it is built with iron or steel or other strong corrosion resistant with minimum railings of sizes 125 millimeter times I by 50 millimeters with spacing between rails of at least 400 millimeters. Iya namang rungs niya or steps naman at least ang yang diameter is nasa 22 millimeters supposed to be securely attached. And then the spacing naman na siya sa 250 to 305 for safe na magsaka. And then for lowest rung naman, so must be no more than 305 millimeter above the ground or floor level. So evacuees can step into it easily. For the slidescape, so ang slidescape is the chute-like device used in some buildings as an emergency way out. So they are rarely used and only allowed if proof under fire safety rules. The capacity niya is makahandle lang siya og 60 persons per minute. So not more than 25 of exit capacity can depend on the slidescapes. So kani siya is rare gani mo ni siya makita nga kuan pang kuan in case bitaw means of ingress para like in case of emergency. And then ang capacity ra pud niya is gamay ra pud siya so 60 persons ra per minute. And then cannot may make up of two more than 25. So ganina ang katong fire escape stairs or katong fire escape stairs is makaya niya 50% of the total capacity then diri ra is 25 ra which. So reasons nga nang dili anong rare kay siya gamit is for safety concerns. So since ang tao man gud pag slide sila diri it is too fast and could get into injury. Ma-injury gud sila pag mukani gamiton. So mostly pag magdadali. It's harder to control also the speed. So especially sa mga children, sa mga tigulang, or mga disabled person. So limited ra pod ya ang capacity since only one person at a time can slide, di ba? Para ma-safe sila malanding. And then for accessibility naman, so kani siya is kanang di siya suitable good for elderly or pregnant or people nga naay mga disabled or mga bata. So ang maintenance pod ani since ang metal man jud kay mag-rust siya dali. So it is also slippery in rain or too hot under the sun. So requires gid siya og inspection to remain safe. For the factors naman such as psychological, so many people might be afraid or hesitant na magamit ani. So maka-cause jud siya delay in case of emergency. So modern alternatives na naman are better na din. So since fire escape stairs and ladders are safe, faster, and easier to use, so modern buildings often rely on fire-rated enclosure. Stay with instead.